Hello, I am Rama. Welcome to my channel Coding Crab. Today we will learn animation in Sprite Lab. Animation means controlling the behavior of any object or a character with the help of code. We have seen many animated movies, right? In that way, any story can be brought to life using animation, and any object can be given a behavior, action, or a speech as well. Animation helps to make stories more lively and interesting. In code terms, all the non real characters and objects which we will bring to life using animations are called as sprites. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. First, let's open code.org in Google Chrome. Then, let's sign in. On the top right corner, there is sign in. Click on that and click continue with Google. Then, select your email ID. Yes, now we are ready. Now, let's get started. As I said, we are going to create animation in Sprite Lab. So, on the top right corner, just there is a create. Click on that and select Sprite Lab. Yes, this is the environment of a Sprite Lab where we are going to create animations or give life for the characters. Let me remove this. Yes. So this left side white area is a play area where we are going to create the animation. And here blocks, all these we are having codes. And this white space is a workspace where we give coding for the computer. Now let's get started. We are going to create a small story. So if you want the environment or the background, just click on the world. Then you will find set background. Let me take this background and place it here. When you click the city, then you will get all the options. I want to select front of the house. Okay. So I am going to create a story which is having a house and a girl standing out of a house. So I want a girl. As I said you, every character or an object in the Sprite Lab is called as a sprite. So let me click on a sprite. So make a new sprite. Either you can use this or this. Because I am creating a story, I want to give a name for my character. So I am going to make a new sprite. And here where there is my sprite, click on that and click rename this sprite. We are going to name this sprite. I want to name Venny. Create, and I'm going to create a costume. So if I don't have any picture which I want, so let me click more. Then here I am going to click characters. Then yeah, I want this. So now click on this. Yes, this is the character which I've created, and we can set the location for this character. Here in this yellow color block, just click on this pin symbol. By clicking that, we will have the access to set the position for this sprite. So let me keep this position over here, and we can set the size for character. So go to actions, then select set size. I want to change the sprite as this, and the size is too small. Let me make it 80. Yeah, this is fine. Now it's looking as if a girl outside the house, and her name is Venny. Next, I want to create another girl or a boy. So one more sprite, go to sprites, make a new sprite, and let me give a name as Tom and create, and let's give a costume. So there's no boy here. Go more, click on characters. Let's select the characters. Yes, I want to select this character. Now that character you can see on the costumes. Click on this. Yes. Now I want to set this character towards the left side of the screen. So click on this pin symbol, then give the position. Now the size is too big, so go to actions, set size, place it here and select the sprite. So set sprite size to, let it be 80. Yes, the size is fine. Now there are two characters in my story. One character name is Benny and other character name is Tom. Now, if they both meet each other, they have to talk to each other. So we just give behavior for these characters. Now let's click behaviors. Let's select sprite begins and place it below. Let's select the sprite as Benny, and here Benny should move down. Down means moving south. So go back to behaviors and select moving south and place it here. Let's run and check. Yes, Benny is moving down. Now next character Tom should move right. Right means east. So go back to behaviors, select sprite begins and select our Tom. Go back to behaviors and let's select moving east. Now let's run and check. Yes, both the characters are moving. Now let's create an event. Here, when Winnie and Tom touches each other. When means event. So let's click on event. When sprite touches another sprite. Get this and place it below. Let's select when or Winnie touches Tom. Yes. When Winnie touches Tom, both should stop behaving. That means they should stop moving. So go back to behavior, get sprite stops and place it here and select our Winnie. Winnie should stop moving south. Go back to behavior and moving south. Yes, here sprite stops moving south. Next go to behavior, select sprite stops again and now select Tom. Now Tom should stop moving east. Select moving east and place it here. Yes, now let's run and check. Yes, when both the sprites touched each other, they stopped moving. When is an event. Event will trigger these sprites to do some action. Done? Have you understood? Next, both of them should talk to each other. So let's go to world and get play sound and place it below. Let's click on choose. Again choose. Here we have many options. Let me select human. Here I want to write hello. And here, hello. This is a girl voice. Hello. And this is a boy voice. I want Winnie should have a girl voice and Tom should have a boy voice. So let me select first girl voice and let me choose. Let me run. Hello. Yes. After Winnie, now Tom should speak. So let me go to events at 3 seconds. That means we are giving some time. So let me keep 2 seconds. Yes, after 2 seconds, now go back to the world, get play sound, click choose, choose, again human and hello. Click this and click choose. Yes. Now after 2 seconds, we can hear a male voice saying hello. Now let's run and check. Hello. Hello. Yes. Now this is nothing but a basic animation in the Sprite Lab. So these two characters are sprites. So let me explain the whole code once again. Here when we click run, it will set a background that is front of a house. Next, we have selected two sprites, two characters with the name as Winnie and Tom. And we have set a location for them and also we have set a particular size for them. After that, we have given a behavior for moving. So Winnie is moving south, that is moving down, and our Tom is moving right, that is towards east. When both the characters touch each other, they should stop moving. So that is why we have used sprite stop. And after that, they have to speak to each other, greet each other. So we have to get play sound from world and select the sound as hello. And after 2 seconds, second person should say hello. Have you understood? Happy coding, enjoy coding. Bye bye.